Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Then click on your profile icon. Then click on storage right here. Then click on clean up space. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on Gmail. Then it's going to take you right here. Then by default, email with large attachments. So you have to scroll down right here and review as many as possible large attachment file mails that is constitute more storage space on your Gmail. So what you need to do is to select them one after the other. After selecting all the large files, you're going to be told the amount of space you're going to save and the number of items you selected. Finally, click on this trash icon right here to delete. Once you delete, this is going to pop up right here. Delete 9 items. This will be permanently delete emails and attachments. Click on here. The next thing you want to do is to click on permanently delete. And it's that simple. You save about 69 megabytes back on my storage right here. Click on not now. You can review or delete as many as possible large email attachments in your Gmail in order to free up more storage space. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.